Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic accessory for archers, the best Nockturnal GT Lighted Nock. If you're looking for a reliable way to enhance your archery experience, these lighted nocks are a game changer. They promise not only to elevate your accuracy but also to help you track your arrows with ease, even in low light conditions. Let's get into the details of the XHYCKJ 6PCSG XHYCKJ Lighted Nocks. This package includes 6 nocks that fit arrows with various inside diameters: 0.165, 0.204, 0.233, 0.244, and 0.246. The versatility in sizing ensures that whether you're using traditional arrows or crossbow bolts, these nocks will fit seamlessly into your equipment. Each nock is designed to be bowstring activated, meaning they turn on when you release your arrow, illuminating your path and making retrieval much easier. Now, let's talk about the standout features. One of the most impressive aspects of these nocks is their battery life. Once activated, these LED lights can shine brightly for up to 48 hours, gradually dimming over the next 24 hours. This extended battery life gives you ample time to locate your arrow, even if the sun sets while you're out in the field. Additionally, the nocks are designed with user-friendliness in mind. Included with your purchase is a small screwdriver, which allows for easy deactivation of the lights when they are not in use. This is a simple yet effective feature that helps preserve battery life, ensuring your nocks are ready for your next adventure. In terms of design, the XHYCKJ lighted nocks are built to withstand the rigors of archery. Made from durable materials, they are crafted to be lightweight yet robust enough to handle the impact of shooting. This means that you can trust these nocks to perform consistently without worrying about breakage during use. Imagine this. You're out in the woods at dusk, your bow in hand, and you take that perfect shot. As the arrow sails through the air, the nock lights up, illuminating the flight path. This not only enhances your visibility but also aids in tracking, making it significantly easier to find your arrow, especially if it lands in thick foliage. The bright light emitted from the nocks is a beacon, guiding you right to your shot. To wrap up, the XHYCKJ 6PCSG XHYCKJ Lighted Nocks are an exceptional addition to any archer's gear. Their reliable battery life, user-friendly design, and sturdy construction make them a top choice for those who want to elevate their archery experience. If you're interested in improving your accuracy and ensuring you can easily track your arrows, consider adding these lighted nocks to your toolkit. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe for more insightful product reviews and recommendations. See you next time.